Good morning, student of class 6. Today I am going to start the chapter 4. Our chapter heading is Enhancing Presentation Using Animation Effect in Microsoft PowerPoint. Our first topic is PowerPoint. PowerPoint has many more features that can we make our presentation interesting. We can also add sound, movie, animation and slide transitions effect to the presentation to make it effective. So students, we can add sound in our program, movie, animation and slide transition effect with the help of transition effect in the PowerPoint. So animation means it is also a special effect that we can add to text and other types of file or other types of object on a slide. It can make the audience pay attention to the important point. We can add animation effect because audience attract to our files, to our presentation. So we can add animation in our PowerPoint. And PowerPoint offers many animation effects just like entrance effects, emphasis effects, exit effects and motion path effects. Not only force effects available in MS PowerPoint, many more animation effects available in MS PowerPoint. So friends, how to add animation effects in our files? So we follow these steps for add the animation effect in our object. Follow these steps. Our first step is, first of all, add this animation. First of all, open Microsoft PowerPoint. Then follow second step. Our second step is select the text or an object that we want to animate, and then go to third step. Our third step is click on the animation tabs where animation effects available, and now click on the more arrow button in the animation group. Here in animation group, many more animation types available, just like entrance effect, emphasis effect, exit effect and motion. We select anyone for animate, and now click on the anyone and select it for. So this is how to add animation effect in our program. And now friends, we can also specify when an animation should be played by clicking on the drop down button of the start timing group. So students, we can set the timing of animation effects. So this is timing group, this is timing group, this is start. When click on this area, animation start, and we can set the duration of animation and delay of the animation also set here. It is more earlier and more later. It is also recorded animation we can apply on our object, our program. To specify or set the timing of the effect, use duration box available in the timing group. It helps you to change and control the speed of animation. This is duration, time duration, and it can use for speed of animation effect, how to control and apply. Then you can set the delay time before the animation begins and using delay box. It is delay box. We can set the delay time before the animation begins and using delay box for apply. This is timing groups, and we can apply this timing groups for animation. This is the first part of chapter number 4 of class 6, and our next video we will discuss on our next topic. Thank you.